Hey everybody, my name is Tracy Morgan and I'll be your teacher for Online Accounting 2. Now I want you to remember that Accounting 2 is a full semester 3-hour course which we are squishing into an 8-week session. That means that normally I would take 2 weeks to teach a topic that we are going to have to learn in one short week. So I need you to jump in with both feet and very quickly read over the general information, go through the online orientation module, go through the Accounting 1 review module so that you're ready to start Chapter 10. Now, I'm going to take a few minutes to switch the screen so you can see my screen, and I'm going to walk you through how the course is set up. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. You can call the Google Voice number on the home page, or you can text that number. If you have a question, please ask it. Someone else is probably wondering the same thing. And so the first couple of days, it's very helpful to me if you do ask questions so I know how to address any issues. I may think something is open and it may not be open, something like that. So please let me know as soon as you find something that you have a question about, okay? So I'm going to flip the screen now, and here is my home page in Moodle. This is for Accounting 2. Couple things I want you to see up front. The left screen over here, it will go away if you click this little sandwich menu up here. So you can minimize that to make the screen larger, which I like. But also, I want you to see that all the different chapters are over here on the left, okay? So you can see everything. If we're working in Chapter 11, you can just click here and go straight to Chapter 11. But first, we're going to look at the general page. And that is just the general course objectives. And then there are a few things that you're going to be required to click on. And they've got little check boxes here. And then the checklist is here. If you can't move on, you can check the checklist to see what you missed. But I also have the check boxes here for when you click on these items. Then the next thing you're going to do is you'll go to the online orientation for this class. And when you click on the online orientation for this class, going to pull up a new page. For that, I've recorded a little video here for you, and you're going to introduce yourself to the class, take a quiz on the semester schedule and the syllabus. You'll join our class in the My Accounting Lab, which is where you're going to do your accounting homework. So that's going to be very important. And then read about what to expect for each chapter. After you do these things, that checklist will be checked off, and then you can move on to the Accounting 1 review module. Now, you should read the general information right now and go through the online orientation right now, the very first day of class, so that you can spend a few days on the Accounting 1 review module. Now, the first part of this contains videos that will help you learn just review you on all the concepts in Accounting 1 that you need to know for this class. And so, be sure and go over these and watch these videos at least once and take some good notes there. Then you're going to go to My Lab and you're going to complete the Chapter 1 Dynamic Study module, Chapter 2, Chapter 3, Chapter 4, just as a review. These are all going to count as homework assignments, so try to get 100% on those. And then you're going to complete an Accounting 1 review project that's going to count as a test grade. You're going to go through journal entries. You're going to post those to a ledger. Then you're going to create adjusting entries, create financial statements, closing entries, and a post-closing trial balance. You're going to actually go through the whole entire accounting cycle, which is a wonderful review of Accounting 1. After you completed this, you'll be ready to move on to Chapter 10. Let me know if you have any questions as you work through these first couple of modules. And I'll see you in Moodle. Thanks.